Once upon a time, in a small village nestled in the mountains, there lived a young girl named Lily. She was known for her kind heart and love for adventure. One sunny morning, as she was exploring the forest near her home, she stumbled upon an injured bird with a broken wing. Concerned for the bird's well-being, Lily carefully picked it up and cradled it in her hands. She knew she had to help it, but she wasn't sure what to do. Just then, she heard a rustling in the bushes and saw an elderly woman approaching. The woman introduced herself as Mrs. Willow, a wise and experienced healer. She had a gentle smile and a twinkle in her eyes that instantly put Lily at ease. Mrs. Willow asked Lily what had happened and together they examined the bird's wing. Lily explained how she found the bird and Mrs. Willow commended her for her compassion. She told Lily that the bird's wing was indeed broken and would need to be set properly for it to heal. Mrs. Willow offered to take the bird back to her cottage, where she had all the necessary tools to help it. Curious and eager to learn, Lily asked if she could assist Mrs. Willow in taking care of the bird. Mrs. Willow agreed, delighted by Lily's enthusiasm. They carefully transported the bird to the cottage, where Mrs. Willow showed Lily how to gently splint the wing and create a comfortable space for the bird to rest and heal. As days went by, Lily visited Mrs. Willow's cottage regularly to check on the bird's progress. They would sit together, talking about the wonders of nature, sharing stories, and laughing. Lily was fascinated by Mrs. Willow's knowledge and wisdom, and Mrs. Willow was inspired by Lily's kindness and thirst for knowledge. One day, as Lily was about to leave Mrs. Willow's cottage, the bird suddenly fluttered its wings. It was healed and ready to fly again. Excitedly, Lily and Mrs. Willow watched as the bird soared into the sky, its wings strong and steady. Overwhelmed with joy, Lily thanked Mrs. Willow for teaching her how to care for the bird and for sharing her wisdom. Mrs. Willow smiled and said, "Lily, you have a natural gift for helping others and a genuine love for nature. Never stop nurturing these qualities, for they will guide you on many wonderful adventures." With a newfound confidence, Lily returned to her village, eager to share her story and inspire others to show kindness and compassion. Her encounter with Mrs. Willow had taught her the power of helping others and the joy that comes from making a difference. And so, Lily's story became a conversation starter in the village, igniting a spark of kindness and unity among its people. They realized that by helping one another and working together, they could create a community filled with love and compassion. And from that day on, Lily became known as the village's little helper, always ready to lend a hand and make a positive impact on the lives of others.